Welcome to the homemaking and gardening channel, and today we are going to see a unique, versatile spice blend called Kitchen King Masala that can be made easily with the normal spices found in the Indian kitchens. You can always keep a bottle of this spice blend handy in your kitchen, as you can make a number of dishes with this one simple spice blend. To make this, we need half cup cumin seeds, 1 cup coriander seeds and half cup fennel seeds. Next, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds or methi. You can decrease the amount to half as well. Next, add red whole chilies as per your taste and a teaspoon of black peppercorn, a handful of cinnamon sticks, few bay leaves. I have taken 8 bay leaves, and 2 mace, 1 nutmeg, 2 star anise, five to 6 bari ilaichi or black cardamom, a teaspoon of white peppercorn, a teaspoon of cloves, next I am adding a teaspoon of cardamom powder. You can add 6 to 8 green cardamom as well as per your taste. Then I am adding a teaspoon of white cumin seeds, which is also known as shajira, and then I am adding dry ginger, which is optional. You may choose to skip. Then I am adding 2 teaspoons of chana dal, 2 teaspoons of tur dal and 2 teaspoons of urad dal. This makes our gravies a bit thick. Next, we are adding few red Kashmiri chilies. You can add it as per your requirement. The red Kashmiri chilies necessarily imparts a reddish color to your dishes, and it does not increase the chilliness or hotness of your spice blend. Take all the spices together and dry roast it until a wonderful aroma fills up your room and the spices starts to splutter. Then cool off and then grind it to a fine powder like this. Now transfer the contents to an airtight glass jar. That way you can keep the spice blend fresh for a longer period of time, and you can keep it in a cool place. And this is how your versatile, unique spice blend called Kitchen King Masala is ready, and you can use it to make your gravies wonderful, and it saves your time as well. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.